here you go. Ok. Donc voilà. Je suis content d'avoir fait cette vidéo. Quand même beaucoup d'informations. Alors, pas si condensé que ça. Pas si condensé que ça. En gros, là, la nouvelle information, il y a peut-être. Allez. Il y a peut-être une dizaine de minutes de nouvelles informations. D'accord. Donc voilà. Donc par contre, c'est un peu éparpillé, donc il faut que vous regardiez un peu tout. Je suis désolé parce qu'en fait, je n'ai pas le choix. Ok. So sorry for people that want really fast information. I cannot basically get, you see, all the right information in a bullet way. You see, because basically sometimes I need to think about the things to remember. You get it? So here you go. Okay. So that's why sometimes in interview I'm doing a terrible job because I don't remember exactly the things. But basically I have to think about the details and I remember all the things. Okay. So this is how my memory works. So going to clip that also. Ok. So I'm continuing my detailed CV. So let's go for the detailed CV. So honestly, I want to say this in a clear way. Okay. I'm not necessarily rancunier. Comment on dit rancunier? I'm not necessarily resentful. Basically, yeah, resentful I think is a good word. Good. Honestly, Google Traduction is now very good. Honestly, I think okay. Wow. And you think I just got something. When I was young, Google Traduction was really bad at one point, and maybe it's because you see, some people had the very good version, and the version that I tested at the very start, was really bad. And then as I was doing a lot of good search and good things in my life, it became very good, and then it became very bad again. Wait. This made me think about something. So you see what they started to do in the US. They started to basically block the money of some people. Okay, honestly, some people that did nothing wrong. Okay, basically it's to show like the force of the government and the power. Okay, and basically the government is using Google to kind of, you see, using profile of people, kind of worsen the search for some people. So you're gonna say to me, Gauthier, they worsen people to bad people. No, they worsen my search for no good reason. Okay? And so that's why I say that they do that for political reason. Okay? Basically, they worsen my profiling. So they worsen my profiling on purpose, and basically all the technological system that I was using were bugging, were like doing a crazy shit, and were blocking me. Okay, because they worsened my profile for no good reason. Okay, for political reasons. Okay. And know that some people were denied bank access. Some bank accounts were blocked, so they blocked bank accounts. They so for Google, they fucked up the search of a lot of people. You get it? So I think it happened around 2015, 2016. Okay? So I think it's when I wait. Is it when I decided to go to the US? I think it's when I was doing a lot of search to go to the US. Wait. Wait. Okay. So I think I was supposed to stay in the US. And I honestly wanted to do that at the start, you see. So I mean, blocking people will never be a solution. Blocking people and things like that. So I think, you see, they've started to basically. So obviously, Republicans, there is a lot of terrible people in the Republicans. Look at what they built. Okay? But you see, like, trying to control people, blocking people. What the US government did, I don't know. You see? And what they did to me after. You get it? And so that's weird because so Apple was trying to help me, and then Apple started to attack me also. So honestly, I do not understand all of the things. Okay.